po! Ano kayang schedule ko? Room 301? Hala, 7:30? 302, 401? TBA? Ano yung TBA? Saan kaya ako pwedeng magtanong? Bahala na nga.
Ba yan, ang tagal-tagal naman yan. Late lang kami, anong oras na? Ano ba yan? Ayaw ko mag-section D, ah. Gusto ko section A. Tagal-tagal. Ano na kaya ako? Ay, sorry. Ano oras na? Ano oras na? Late ka na. Ayoko mag-section B. Sasabi ko na nga sa'yo eh. Late ka na naman. Traffic yan. Kanina pa ako nag-aantay. Hindi ka na nga.
TM ka din?
Ayoko.
118 ako, parehas tayo. Alam mo ba kung saan yung room TBA?
Hindi, nahanap ko din kanina pa.
What if, hanapin natin mamaya pero magbayad muna tayo.
Tara.
Sige. Ano ba yung room TBA?
Kanina pa po kayo.
TBA? Ate, to be announced po yun.
Ay! Sorry po. Ay, TDM ka din?
Ako, 1-8 po.
1 din kami.
Ay, 1-8!
Sumasabay na tayo.
Sabay na lang tayo. Sige, sige.
Ano yan sinasabi?
Ako sa'yo eh.
Oh, yung schedule mo, baka naiwan mo na naman.
Pag yan talaga din naka-enroll ha, sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Oh, ano section mo?
Palit-palit na kasi ito. Ay, see, section 3. Uy, section 8 na din?
Ah, opo. Uy, hala. Naka-section tayo. Ay, ka din. Tayo din sila.
Ay, din kami.
Talaga?
Ano, sabay?
Sabay,
Sabay din.
Bayad muna, bayad muna.
Ay, wala po kayong slip? Need nyo po kasi ng slip pag magbabayad kayo. Kuha na lang po kayo dyan sa my side, tsaka po kayo pumila ulit.
Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, hanggang maubos ang ako, hanggang gumulong ang lupa.
So, magandang umaga, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. So, if I'm not mistaken, this is our first ever meet, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So, since this is our first ever meet, before we start our lesson, I kindly want everyone to introduce themselves, okay? Okay. So, since I'm asking you guys to introduce yourself, let me introduce myself first. So, ang pangalan ko po ay Miss Sarah Gimpayan. Or you could just call me Miss Gimpayan, okay lang naman. And I'm going to be one of your instructor for this semester. Okay? So,
Just like you guys, I also started as a TM student. Yes, opo, TM student. Of course na may pangarap na maging isang college instructor. So after getting my degree on PSTM, I later on pursued my master's in tourism management. Not just because I wanted to learn more about the industry, but also I wanted to become a better educator for you guys.
and so yun. So, through hard work, dedication, and of course, continuous learning na rin, I achieved that dream. Look at me now! So, as your instructor, I guide you through lectures, discussion, practical activities.
Ano ba yan? Dami pa napapagawa ni ma'am. Kaya ko pa ba to? Lord, guide me!
And also, students, I also value communication, respect, professionalism, and of course, critical thinking and continuous learning. May mga questions kayo, huwag kayong matakot na magtanong sa akin kasi sa mga mistakes, So now I'm done introducing myself. It's now your turn, okay?
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
let's start with you.
I'm Natalie Joy Benguan. 5 years from now, I see myself as a flight attendant. Since I was a kid, this has been with me because I love serving people, getting paid to travel, and collecting passport stamps. Like limited edition sticker. My job is keeping passengers safe and comfortable, doing free flight check, and explaining safety procedures. So I need good communication, patience, teamwork, and superpower to smile while answering. Are we there yet?
Not yet!
My goal is serving a warm heart so every passenger feels welcome, safe, and comfortable.
My name is Krisha Jetragsa, and 5 years from now, I see myself to become a flight attendant soon. And now, I live in Dubai and proudly wearing the uniform of flight attendant in Fly Emirates. Every time I step on the plane, alam kong dito ako belong. Kahit hanggang ngayon, naliligaw pa rin yung maleta ko. My job is to keep my passengers safe and happy, helping them with a smile and stay calm during emergency. I need to be patient for meeting people from different countries. Honestly, lahat ng to gusto ko.
So, hi ma'am, my name is Arian Reyes Piernit. Before becoming a VSTM student, I always wanted to become a nurse. But then, for some circumstances, I pursued my second dream, which is to become a flight attendant. So, I see myself 5 years from now as a successful flight attendant.
When I started studying BSTM, my perspective changed. I found myself daydreaming about wearing a uniform in one of the most famous airlines in the world.
I know this job isn't just about traveling. It's about ensuring our passengers' safety. So I continuously improve my communication skills, confidence, patience, and professionalism.
So hello ma'am, I am Erica Navarrida and I've always dreamed of becoming a flight attendant, flying international routes with professionalism and pride. My job is to keep passengers safe and comfortable while handling safety procedure, emergencies, and excellent customer service. I need to stay calm, patient, and professional. Kahit may turbulence, ngingiti pa rin ako. Kahit yung jet lag na hindi ko alam kung tulog ba ako or gising pa.
My advocacy is hospitalities in the sky. I want every passenger to live saying, the crew was amazing.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ian Pauline Bibal Tono. Since I was a kid, becoming a flight attendant has always been my dream. As I studied tourism management, I became even more motivated. I know this career is more than just traveling. It's about keeping passengers safe, providing excellent customer services, and staying calm during emergencies. So I continue improving my confidence, communication skills, patience, professionalism, and ability of working under pressure. My goal is to make every passenger feel welcome, respected, and cared for from takeoff to landing.
Every dream starts with a single step. Today, we are students, but tomorrow we'll be welcoming passengers around the world. We know the journey won't be easy, but we're ready to learn, grow, and fly. Dream, learn, serve, fly. The journey